namin yan para
7 years since I was last here. I remember hiking here with the blankets. It was your first time hiking a mountain. It was here. So this brings memories. And nothing's changed. Well, there was some development. Better facilities, better bathrooms, parking. And it's more staff now.
Atuta wolo falo, momi basi adogo. Atuta wolo nalo, sia oh sia, wakana ban sia oh sia, wakana ban sia. Mogomi basi adogo, atuta wolo falo. Mogomi basi adogo, atuta wolo nalo. Mogomi basi adogo, atuta wolo falo.
Centuries ago, the Spaniards aboard their galleons to Manila Bay noticed the form of a giant parrot perched in the forest mountains in Cavite. They named it Pico de Loro, meaning parrot's beak. Today, mountaineers who visit Pico de Loro have discovered that it is enchanting as its name. High on Cavite's highest point, they could behold the rocky tower that the Spanish sailor once saw as the parrot's beak. They could gaze toward the South China Sea, where the galleons once sailed, all the way to the historic island fort of Corridor. Gusts of sea breeze reach the peak, refreshing hikers after a 3-hour climb. The peak's rocky outcropping is dramatic and sharply contrasts with the plains of Cavite and the waters of South China Sea.
We just started, just had our orientation, and I was expecting it to be boring, but it was really meaty, a lot of information, and even the speaker, the host, hold on, some falls here, was really entertaining, and she provided so much information. She delivered it well. And amazing. I mean, good job. Big difference compared to what it was before. It was raw. It was just come here, just pay, and then move. As for the trail, it's a bit rocky, a bit better than compared to before. They fixed it. There's some stairs here, over there, and it's not as technical. So once in a while you see this. Tree markers and identification. Along the trail you'll be seeing man-made steps and some benches, but it's not an eyesore type. They put it there in a subtle way, so it doesn't really put so much contrast in nature. So job well done. If you look at it, it still looks natural. walking from the campsite and going to the summit. You can't recognize the place anymore because it's now dense, which is a good thing, by the way. Before it was just an easy access from the campsite, then go up. Now you had a bit wade through the bamboo branches. Yep, so there's the summit. There's the stairs, newly installed. Wasn't here before, but I understand why they did this. I know a lot of people don't like putting like man-made stuff in the mountains. I'm one of them, but you have to understand, sometimes they have to do it to preserve the mountain from erosion. There are many people climbing. It will eventually take its toll. So even in other countries they do this. Of course, there's so much assessment going on before they do this, but this one's really understandable.
Follow the sun, and which way the wind blows when this day is done. Breathe, breathe in the air, set your intentions, dream with care. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone, a brand new moon and brand new sun. Follow the sun, the direction of the birds, the direction of love. Breathe, breathe in the air.
Going down now. Classic view with a new experience. It's nice to be back, right, Kevs?
Yes, never
Yes.
gets old.
Never gets old. They just had a quick break. I savored the view and just enjoying the spot there where you can see the summit and Parrot's Peak. Now we're going down, and that's it. It's just a short hike, and I recommend this as usual to people. Classic Pico de Loro. Please do so. Book online. It's worth it.
Cherish this moment, cherish this breath. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone, a brand new moon, brand new sun. When you feel life coming down on you like a heavy weight, when you feel this crazy society adding to the strain, take a stroll to the nearest water's edge. Remember your place. Many moons have risen and fallen long, long before you came. So which way is the wind blowing? What does your heart say?
Woo. Nice. Kuya. Nice.
which way the wind blows when this day is done.